Hey folks, how you doing? Hey, I want to talk about, it is July 4th right now, okay? Yes it is. But you know how it is normally, the whole week before, man, people spend, I don't know how much of their paychecks. Man, this place is like exploding all over the place. It's been so quiet this week. I thought tonight, being Thursday, going into the holiday on Friday, whoa, they're going to let something go. Man, crickets. This is the quietest July 4th I've ever known. I mean, maybe you've noticed it too. I don't know. But anyway, so I thought, well, anyway, regardless, it's the birth of our nation, right? So, what am I going to do? Where's it? Like, light a candle, make a wish, right? Come on. There you go. And, hey, spare no expense. Birth of our, oh, and also, you gotta raise the flag, right? Do that. Great. Hallelujah. But man, I'm telling you, I don't expect anything tomorrow. I mean, this is the weirdest July 4th ever. It's the most quiet. And you know what? I don't believe in coincidence. I don't. And I wonder what the heck is, I don't know. There's something that went out that I didn't get, What I got though. Huh? Check it out. Wow. Let's try it again. I don't know. It's a popper. Whoop. Streamers! What the? Well, there you go. Happy birthday to our nation. And let's all make a wish together. Okay, I got it. You got it? Okay. Happy birthday.